Welcome everyone, where we're going to be talking about your project manager this morning, which is your liver. Your liver I call the project manager because on a job site all the plumbers come to the project manager, the painters come to the project manager. The project manager is orchestrating the job site. So that's what your liver's doing. It's orchestrating the job site, of course, which is the human body. So a few facts on the liver. The liver is the largest internal organ in the body. And the liver is the only organ in the body that has the ability to regrow. And when you understand the liver, when you understand what it does, and it's the role that it plays, you'll understand why God made it so.
The liver is one of the most vital organs in the body, responsible for filtering toxins, producing bile for digestion, and storing energy in the form of glycogen. However, certain dietary habits can lead to liver damage, contributing to conditions such as fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. Understanding the foods that can harm your liver is crucial in maintaining its health and overall well-being. Below are 9 foods that are particularly harmful to your liver. 1. Alcohol. Alcohol is a major contributor to liver damage, and its effects can be both immediate and long-term. When you consume alcohol, your liver is responsible for breaking it down into less harmful substances. However, excessive alcohol consumption overwhelms this process, leading to the accumulation of toxic substances like acetaldehyde, which can cause inflammation and liver cell damage. Over time, repeated alcohol consumption can lead to fatty liver disease, where fat builds up in the liver cells, impairing their function. If alcohol consumption continues, it can progress to alcoholic hepatitis, a condition characterized by inflammation and liver cell death. In severe cases, this can further develop into cirrhosis, a condition where healthy liver tissue is replaced by scar tissue, permanently damaging the liver and leading to liver failure. The liver's ability to regenerate is remarkable, but chronic alcohol abuse can surpass its healing capacity, leading to irreversible damage. To maintain liver health, it is essential to limit alcohol intake and adopt a balanced lifestyle. 2. Sugary foods and drinks. Sugary foods and drinks can severely damage the liver, primarily due to the high levels of fructose they contain. Unlike glucose, which is metabolized throughout the body, fructose is primarily processed in the liver. When the liver is overwhelmed with excessive fructose, it converts the excess into fat. This fat can accumulate in the liver, leading to a condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Over time, the continued consumption of high-sugar diets can cause inflammation and scarring in the liver, which can progress to more serious conditions like non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, cirrhosis, or even liver cancer. Additionally, sugary foods and drinks contribute to insulin resistance, a condition where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin. This can exacerbate liver damage and lead to metabolic disorders like type 2 diabetes. To protect liver health, it's crucial to limit the intake of sugary foods and beverages, focusing instead on a balanced diet rich in whole foods. 3. Fried foods. Fried foods are high in unhealthy fats and calories, which can lead to weight gain and obesity, both of which are risk factors for liver disease. The liver has to work harder to process these fats, and over time this can lead to fat accumulation in the liver, contributing to fatty liver disease. Additionally, fried foods often contain trans fats, which are particularly harmful to liver health. 4. Processed meats. Processed meats, such as sausages, hot dogs, and bacon, are high in saturated fats, which can lead to increased fat deposition in the liver. They also contain high levels of sodium and preservatives, which can strain the liver and contribute to inflammation and fibrosis. Regular consumption of processed meats has been linked to an increased risk of liver diseases, including NAFLD and liver cancer. 5. Salty foods. Excessive salt intake can lead to water retention and high blood pressure, which indirectly affects liver health. A diet high in salt can exacerbate liver damage in individuals with existing liver conditions. Common salty foods include canned soups, processed snacks, and fast foods. Reducing salt intake can help in managing and preventing liver diseases. 6. White bread, rice, and pasta.
So what I want to do before I show you what the liver's doing today, I want to show you what it does with everything that comes into the body. So environmental poisons coming into the body, everything goes straight to the liver. And if it's toxic, the liver says, whoa, nasty guy, wrap him up in fat and store him. And if the liver looks at it and says, no, we can break that down to a state that can be easily released, that is what it will do. What about food? Let me show you what it does with the food that comes in. And never in the history of mankind have human beings eaten so many carbohydrates. So we're going to do a carbohydrate assessment. And I want you to tell me what most Americans had for breakfast this morning.
Toast, eggs.
Yeah, toast. So here we've got bread. Cereal's a very popular one. One lady said egg. Sorry, no one cooks anymore. Is that right?
Donuts.
Donuts. Surely not. And we talked about the healthiest part of the donut, didn't we? Which is the hole in the middle. So we'll say for the donuts, the cakes, you call them biscuits.
Refined carbohydrates, such as those found in white bread, rice, and pasta, have a high glycemic index, leading to spikes in blood sugar levels. This can contribute to insulin resistance, a key factor in the development of NAFLD. Over time, these foods can lead to increased fat accumulation in the liver, promoting inflammation and liver damage. Opting for whole grains instead of refined carbs can help in maintaining liver health. 7. Red meat. Red meat is high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can be hard for the liver to process. Excessive consumption of red meat can lead to fat accumulation in the liver, contributing to fatty liver disease. Additionally, the high iron content in red meat can lead to iron overload, which is harmful to the liver. Reducing red meat intake and opting for leaner protein sources like fish or poultry can help protect the liver. 8. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, found in many diet sodas and low-calorie snacks, can also be harmful to the liver. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may lead to metabolic changes that contribute to liver inflammation and NAFLD. While more research is needed, it's wise to limit the intake of artificial sweeteners and opt for natural sweeteners like honey or stevia. 9. High-fat dairy products. High-fat dairy products, such as cheese, butter, and cream, are rich in saturated fats, which can lead to increased fat deposition in the liver over time. This can contribute to the development of fatty liver disease. Choosing low-fat or fat-free dairy options can help reduce the strain on the liver and promote overall health. Maintaining liver health is crucial for overall well-being, and diet plays a significant role in this. By reducing the intake of alcohol, sugary foods, processed meats, salty foods, refined carbs, red meat, artificial sweeteners, and high-fat dairy products, you can protect your liver from damage and promote its health. Making mindful food choices and adopting a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help keep your liver functioning optimally and reduce the risk of liver disease. Remember, your liver is your body's natural detoxifier, and taking care of it is essential for long-term health.